Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video we will continue our PDF cracker creation. So actually in this video we will create a function that will help us to actually show progress of our program. So for this just import from tqdm, import tqdm, and we will define a new function. So define, and let's call it decrypt PDF, and we will take PDF file, and we will take passwords, we will take total passwords and max workers is equal 4. So first of all we will actually just don't forget about from current features import treat pool executor, and actually first of all we will actually create our tqdm with treat pool executor. So first of all with tqdm we will take total as is equal total passwords, and we will say description is decrypt, actually decrypting PDF. So, and let me just do this, and our unit will be passwords. Well, actually password like that, and like string. And we will save this as pbar. So as you remember from our basic Python, so it should be understandable for you. And now with treat pool executor, and I just made a mistake here. So with treat pool executor, we will actually take max workers are equal to max workers, and we will say this as executor. And now we need to submit some tasks to our executor, so and map those tasks to a future. So as you remember, future to passwords, and we will say executor, we will submit try password. Oh my god, try password, and PDF file and password as pvd. So and now for each password, so we will take this password for pwd in passwords. So once again, if you don't remember this from basic Python, as I showed you before, we are taking each password and then we are mapping those passwords to our future. Yeah, and now for each future in tqdm, we will take future to password, and total is equal total passwords. And now password is equal future to passwords, as we did in our basic Python, future. So we are taking a password from our futures, and if future result, so if we got result, yeah, we will return this result. So return future result. But if we didn't, actually we will make pbar and update by one password. So it will update our pbar. So for example, if we have out of 100 password, yeah, because our unit is password, it will, if we didn't find password, it will update this pbar and so on, like that, and wherever you know. So pretty good. It will update this pbar for us if we didn't find actually password. But if we found password, it will return this password for us. And the last thing, we will print, but actually print not with treat pool executor, but here. So print unable to decrypt PDF password is not found, like that. So, and we will return, oops, I just clicked on my screenshot, so return none, like that. So pretty good. We did this before in our basic Python, but now I showed you how to actually put this all together. So TQDM with street pool executor, we will use it a lot, but actually I think you should understand this. It's not that hard to understand now because you already did this. So actually, once again, we are making TQDM for progress bar and saying this as P bar. And now we are using treat pool executor to make our program faster, yeah? And we are saving this as executor, and now we need to submit some tasks to this executor. We are submitting all passwords, and those passwords are mapping to a future. So now we are taking each future, we are taking a password from this future, and if we got results, so if we found actually password, it will return this password for us, so correct password. But if we didn't, it will update our p bar by one password, so our progress bar. And if we didn't find anything, so for example, we our program go through actually went through whole word list and they didn't find any passwords, it will actually print unable to decrypt PDF, password is not found, and return none, so nothing. So yeah, that's actually how to create your progress bar. In the next video, we will actually continue our development. So hope to see you in the next video. If you have any questions, just ask me. I will try to answer you, and have a nice day. Bye.